Welcome back, folks, and get ready for another infuriating video. I'll lay it out plain and simple. The person you're about to see barely escaped a life-threatening situation. I want to be clear. I'm not defending the officer or pointing fingers at Joshua here. But on December 22nd last year, Joshua decided to flex his First Amendment rights and give CHP officer LeBeau an early Christmas present by flipping him the one-finger salute. Officer LeBeau pulled a 180, pursuing Joshua into the parking lot where he was going to pick up some supplies for his disabled mother. I'm certainly not a lawyer, but I'm going to interject my opinion at several points in the video and would like all of you to leave yours in the comments section.
Get ready, 'cause this shit's about to get heavy.
By the reflection in Joshua's tailgate, it looks like this is where the officer initiated the traffic stop.
Make a right.
Let me first introduce you to the blue-haired super Karen named Susan, who's going to interject herself into the situation in a minute.
Hello. Stay in your car. Stay in your car. What are you doing? Stay in your car.
What are you?
I'd like you to take particular note of what's happening right here, and let me read you a snippet from Officer LeBeau's arrest affidavit. As I exited my patrol vehicle, the driver of the Chevrolet quickly exited his vehicle and began to walk towards me aggressively and tensed up, and I ordered Lyons to stay in his vehicle. At this point, Lyons was standing approximately 3 feet from me. Based upon Lyons' aggressive demeanor and his actions, I was unsure whether he was armed and intended on attempting to harm me. I attempted to control him by placing my left hand on his right arm. Lyons immediately tensed up and pushed my arms away.
What are you doing? Stay in your car.
Clearly, with keys in one hand and a phone in the other, Mr. Lyons stops while the officer keeps advancing.
What are you doing? Stay in your car. Stay back in your... Fuck. Hands up.
Got him?
Move your hand.
I'm helping you.
Roll over on your back. Roll over on your back.
Stop it. Put your hand behind your back. I can't. Put your hand behind your back. You're in custody. Relax.
Start me another
For
unit.
what?
Relax.
What did I do?
Van Buren.
Relax, and
What
he'll tell
did I
you.
do?
He'll tell you in a second. Relax.
You don't even know what I did.
You want to cuff him?
You're in Washington requesting additional unit.
I'm tired. Now just relax, okay? Everything will get explained to you in a second.
Okay.
Do you have any weapons on you? Do you have any weapons?
Are you a cop?
No, he is a cop.
I'm not talking to you, bud.
Okay.
That means 702.
He's got a mag.
702.
I got a
I
what?
got the party detained now.
The party
Yeah,
detained?
Yeah, I'm detained. I saw the whole thing.
Start firing supervisor.
Yeah, please do. You're about to lose your job, pal.
Okay, just confirm. Continue them.
Okay, it's over. Relax now.
702, continue another unit. But I have him detained, cuffed.
Another unit, yeah. And just confirm, can I clear the air or not yet?
God damn it. Would you please stop fucking
702,
doing
I'll
that
wait
shit?
till another unit's here. Stop doing what?
You attacked me, pal.
Yeah, when you got out of your car.
Yeah, when I got out of my car. What the fuck did I do? What did I do? Who attacked who?
You attacked the officer.
Bullshit. He came up to me.
You attacked the officer.
Bullshit.
I was standing right here.
Thank you.
So just confirm if I can clear
Keep your
the
knees out. 702, you can clear the air now.
He was being
You're gonna
nice
roll
to
onto
me?
your left side.
Okay.
Bring your knees in. Bring your knees in, you're gonna stand up. We're gonna walk to the back of the car.
You better have a good reason for stopping me, bud.
Yeah, you have no plates on your vehicle, buddy.
I want to stop right here and state that that's a civil infraction and no reason for this officer to go hands-on. I also spoke to Joshua, and he was never cited for no license plates.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? And you think that's a crime? It's in California. Are you sure?
Sit down.
The reason to stop you.
It's that guy's phone.
I think so, yeah.
You okay?
Yeah. Freaking guy.
Oh, when your mag fell out, I'm oh shit, is he ever gone?
No.
Oh, no, I appreciate it.
Thank you very much for your help. Appreciate it.
That lady's just gonna give you a full statement.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm still shaking.
I need to get your info here in a second.
Yeah. That's okay, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Let this be a stark reminder that if you do decide to defend yourself against an officer you feel is assaulting you, first of all, you're not going to be able to stay on the scene and question anybody. Second of all, most of the useful idiots on the planet aren't going to side with you.
Yes, that was totally in the wrong. So quickly. Not do anything.
Thank you.
Yeah, Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We'll have you hang tight for just a minute, okay?
There's no more audio at this point because arresting officer LeBeau decided to turn off his body cam, but I'm going to leave it rolling so that you can watch Officer Poncherello here, under the guise of taking vehicle inventory, violate Joshua's Fourth Amendment rights. Here he is attempting to get into the vehicle. It's locked, which was smart on Joshua's part. Goes around to the other side to try the other door. It's locked. But thanks to Super Karen Susan here, she points out that his keys are on the ground, allowing Poncherello to break into his vehicle, and he finds a knife, which they also add into the report. Joshua is now facing 3 years in prison, and I would really like to hear everyone else's opinion. So here's some crucial documents to read over. Please pause the video to check out the felony complaint, the investigative report, and the arresting officer's summary. I want you to pay close attention to something here, though. If the officer's actions were truly justified, why the need to embellish, exaggerate, and even resort to blatant lies in his report? Also feeling the need to include a knife that was allegedly found in between the seat of his locked vehicle. I've also included Super Karen's statement for you guys to read over. Do me a favor and head over to Joshua's page and show him your support. He has a court date coming up this week, and he'll be providing updates on the case through his YouTube channel. Thanks once again for tuning in. If you found the content valuable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Your support means the world, so until next time, take care.